Hey, are you a retiree? Are you cash poor and house rich? Well, why are you sitting on a gold mine and still worrying about bills? If you're over 55 and your home is paid off, why are you still stressing about money? You did the right thing. You worked hard, you paid your mortgage, you raised your family. But now inflation is eating away your savings, your pensions barely stretches, and you feel stuck. You know, you've got wealth, just not the kind of wealth that you can spend. You know what, my friends? There is a solution. A reverse mortgage unlocks the equity in your home tax free and lets you live a better life now. And the better way is that there is no monthly payments, no selling, and you know what? You don't have to move. It's not a debt, it is a retirement tool that you can use, and it turns your house into a cash flow. So, you know what? I've helped so many retirees across Canada to unlock the equity in their home, covering the rising cost, helping families, or just breathing easier every month. So, the biggest regret that I hear is I wish I had done it this sooner. Because waiting costs you more, in rates, in stress, and in missed experiences. You know, you could have gone for that trip of a lifetime. Anyway, guys, click below and get your financial freedom estimate. We will show you exactly how much cash your home can give you safely and tax free. And no pressure, we are not selling anything, it's just for clarity. Remember, you've earned your home, now let it earn for you.